Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about the question word when is used to ask or answer questions about time. For example, you can ask when is your birthday, or when are you going to the park. You can also answer these questions by using when with a specific time or date. For example, you can say my birthday is on June 21st or I am going to the park tomorrow. To form a question with when, you need to put when at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject and the verb. For example, when do you study? Or when does he play soccer? Notice that we use do or does before the main verb to make a question in the present tense. We also add an s to the verb after he, she, or it. To answer a question with when, you need to use when with a time expression that matches the tense of the question. For example, if the question is in the present tense, you can use time expressions like now, today, tonight, every day, etc. If the question is in the past tense, you can use time expressions like yesterday, last week, 2 hours ago, etc. If the question is in the future tense, you can use time expressions like tomorrow, next week, in an hour, etc. Let's practice with some examples. I will ask you a question with when and you will answer it using a time expression. Ready? Here we go. When do you eat breakfast? When did you watch a movie? When will you visit your grandparents? Great job! You have learned how to use the question word when to ask and answer questions about time. Remember to practice more with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you next time.